Hi, Graham here again from Bainbridge Technologies. Today I'd like to talk to you about your solar options for charging whilst you're off-grid and also for a portable application. So we've got quite a few options here at Bainbridge Technologies and a couple of them I'd like to discuss with you today. One of them is a foldable solar blanket. Now this little blanket here, it's very nice and tiny and small and lightweight, so you can fit it under the seats in your car, down in behind the seats, or in very tight places, but it's 120 watt charging capability. So it folds out to a few meters long and very durable and lightweight. So that's a great feature to have in a solar blanket. So through that, you would obviously then go through the regulator and plug that into your auxiliary battery or your cranking battery in your vehicle. And this is a 20 amp charger. And out of a 120 amp hour blanket here, you'll get around about 7 amps of continuous charging through an MPPT or controller like this. Another option is this fantastic device here. It's called a Flexi Panel. Now the reason why it is great is because it will work on most applications where your hard panels will not. Obviously they are rigid, so on the top of a four-wheel drive they're susceptible to getting broken because the roofs on your car flex when you do go off-road, and also if you do get rocks and stones dropping on them, you're going to go smashing them. This Flexi Panel, very hard wearing, you can actually put it on the floor and walk over it, not a problem at all. Plus it actually, as I said, it flexes, so it will fit the tops of your caravan, your motorhome, trailers, work trailers, utes, and on the top of the canopies on your four-wheel drive as well. The whole back of the unit is covered in 3M tape, so once you peel that off and stick it down, it's not going anywhere. So this one here, once again, is 110 watt. As I said, capable of around that sort of 5 to 6 amp mark of charging, but obviously you can run all these in parallels if you want to increase the size of your solar charging facility. So that's just a couple of options. As I said, there's plenty of options on the market. We do have the hard panels as well and the hard fold-out panels, but these here are probably your most reliable units to use for that outdoor application and versatility. So for more information, please click on the link below.